Hi, Marie from Marie's Little Red Schoolhouse reporting to you today on Illustory Junior. Make your own book, where your kids can make their book, have it printed, and share it with others. And this is the box that it comes in. And when you open it, surprise, you have a box of markers. And they're white tips so that you don't have to go to the store and pick up markers for your child. Then you get another surprise. You get, hey, you can get your own free poster of the cover of your book or your child's book and have that poster to hang up in the room so he can say, na, I have myself published, and there's my poster on the wall. So that's another good thing. Here is the Illustory. The real content to it is the story pages. This is the name of the book, and you put your address and phone number. So when you send your book in to be published in a soft cover, you have it identified. And here is what it shows: cover art, illustrations, and gives you some hints about for the best results using a dark pencil or ink and page numbers and shipping and ordering and all the little things you need, and on the back as well. And then we have some blank pages for, I believe this is the cover page, and maybe another cover page or a preface. And then you have a page where the picture can be drawn and the story written below. Being a teacher, I use these kind of things all the time, but it never dawned on me to put a nice little cover on it, nor could I get that done. Okay, plenty of papers for the story in here. Plenty of papers for the story, which is good. This is really good, because maybe we can do more than one story, but then you get the lady envelope, and it's postage paid, and you have a reply to the company: please do not bend to Lulu Jr. And you send in your papers to them, and what they do is they will publish it. They will put it all together with a nice soft cover that you've drawn, and then they will send it back to you or your child. And this whole kit and caboodle costs about $29.99, almost $30. But you do get that and the free poster and the directions on how to go about it. And it's all together in one box. You don't have to go running any place to get anything else. The markers are there and all the instructions. So if you want to really have a good time with your kids, it's all there in a box. And you can send it up, and who knows, you may be sparking the next greatest author. So watch out there, all you authors. There's going to be a bunch of kids coming real quick after you. So again, if you want to get more details on this, you can go to Marie's Little Red Schoolhouse.blogspot.com, and I'll have those details I just gave to you and more. What I think I'm going to do is I am going to have one of my kids do up a story, and going to have it sent in, and in a couple of weeks or so, how many it takes to get back, I'll run another blog post on Illustory and show you what came back. I wish I would have looked at this earlier, because then I could have had it for this taping, but now you get two of them. You get to see the, yes, I'm in my bathroom, so it's quieter. Didn't mean to show you that. Okay. So I'll see you next time when I'll have the book done. Thank you.